Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to take a look at some more hair transformations. First up, we have this beige bob. Super cute. I love the way that the color came out. And then we move on to hair transformation number 2.
No, they didn't ask for this one.
Oh, because you don't want them to have this one? But my viewers need to know what my formula is.
So it looks like she has a bit of red going there. She is going to get some color here.
It does, right? And it smells good too. Smell that.
Okay, no, seriously, actually does smell really good.
No, it smells good. And you know what? There's a demi-permanent color. It's only going to sit for 20 minutes. Okay, this is the new Super Sync line. It's going to give you the richest shade of sexy cherry red that you deserve.
So we're doing sexy cherry red.
We are doing sexy cherry red. And since you're so hype about how healthy your hair is, this is definitely going to add to that.
To the shine.
To the shine. You're going to be shining. Now, why use amazing quality hair color when you're not going to follow it up with some amazing quality products? The Matrix Build-A-Bond system has been a holy grail in Renee's hair color journey. Not only in the salon after a color service, but also at home maintenance. I feel like
Ooh, oh wow, this is like a beautiful wine color. So this is actually really popular hair color for 2025. We all want our hair to look like Marlo wine, like we're loving the wine hues right now. This is absolutely gorgeous.
Like, wow.
I love it.
And I really feel like this would be a really beautiful color, especially for the fall season.
There you go.
Yeah, it is. I love you.
I love you more.
Next up, we have someone here with very long hair. I would say her hair is definitely about tailbone length. So she is going to donate the hair after cutting it. She's got this gorgeous curly texture to the strands as well. And she ends up getting this cute shaggy cut, bangs in the front, curls are popping. And see, with her hair being shorter, she can definitely do a more defined curl look. Very pretty. She also got some highlights too. All right, so moving right along, we have someone with hair around the shoulder length. Stylist cuts the hair. Looks like she's getting a pixie cut here. Ooh, super fab. Oh, wow. You know what? I'm really surprised that she didn't end up coloring the hair, but it looks great with the shorter pixie. Very nice. And then we have something called a burnt orange bob. So we're going to see how this ends up turning out. I would never think that orange would be a color that girlies would go to the salon and ask for, but you know, I've seen some interesting trends throughout the years. So let's see what he ends up doing for this look.
Maybe we can try like a red and black color. This color on you, like a darker red.
Ooh.
Dark orange, like burnt orange.
Burnt orange. So the colors are kind of being shown.
Can I go with that?
Okay,
That light?
yeah, it's like a orange red. Because we bleached quite much on the end.
Actually, I think the way that she described it, burnt orange, it definitely, like orange is in, copper here is in, red is in. So it would be like a really pretty color combo. A reddish orange.
This one, the bit is slightly a little bit darker.
Yeah, that's fine.
More like an orange kind of brown color.
Yeah.
So I try to push it as light as possible.
Yes, please.
Okay, cool. And cut thing and fringe, we can go shorter.
Do you think I can go wider?
Yeah,
we can. Maybe we can do more sharp, wider, and very sharp. Or
Sounds good.
is this too short?
So maybe baby bangs in the front. Ooh, that is super cute. I love it. The hair actually has a bit of an ombre look to it. Very fun.
Bleach my hair.
Next up, we have a beige blonde butterfly cut. Now, the butterfly cut was huge. Like, what, 2 years ago? Everyone was getting that look.
I think it was about 6 months ago, and I'm just hoping that you could take me to blonde.
Let me check your hair. It's a little bit complicated, like the look. We can do bleach for you, but it will be not even. Can we decide the color after bleaching?
As long as like it's blonde, as long as it kind of just suits my skin tone.
Yeah.
But I trust you. Just whichever you recommend.
Okay. I think only achievable color would be more darker, brownish blonde, something like this.
Okay. As long as it's blonde, I don't quite mind.
The bleach for here, I think it's gonna be a little bit flake. We'll do my best for you, but
no
yeah.
worries, yeah, I get it. Just as light as you can get me, that's fine.
How about the cut?
My ends are a bit dry. I think about there would be good. And then I just want to get kind of like a long layer cut.
Do you want to make bangs, like cotton bangs,
Yeah,
like this?
maybe there. Because sometimes I don't really curl my hair that much. I kind of just lay it straight.
All right, so let's see the end result. Oh, now the color almost looks ginger to me. Like, it is pretty dark, but absolutely gorgeous makeover. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's hair transformations. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.